Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from Mumbai itself. I am from Mumbai, Andheri West, Millat Nagar. I have somewhere around 15 years of experience. I have expertise on various technologies like SCCM, mostly in Microsoft technology. Okay, SCCM, then Intune, then Active Directory, Azure, PowerShell, and other technologies. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University. I am a BSc IT graduate. Okay. I did my graduation from Mumbai University and then I started working as a IT support engineer. So I worked in various uh, technologies, but SCCM and Intune have been my primary focus. So these two technologies, I'm talking about these two technologies, these two are from Microsoft. Okay. So I have a teaching experience of around 8 years now, and I have trained more than 30,000 students globally. More than 30,000 students globally. I teach online training, classroom training, offline training, corporate training. So I am in teaching field for the past 8 years now. So now I'm going to talk about little bit IT, information technology. Okay. So what do you mean by information technology? Can anybody unmute yourself and speak up? Hmm? Anyone? Srinivas?
Hello. Yes,
Yeah.
Kasif.
What do you mean by
Uh,
information technology? Any idea?
uh, yeah, information technology. Well, work get more efficient and quick as respond as compared to human because computers are doing very fast and accurate work.
Mhm. Basically, it is something related to information. So information, when it is clubbed with technology, it is called information technology. So previously we used to use manual effort, right? People used to, for example, if you go to um, buy some grocery, right, from a local grocery store, they will write everything down on a piece of paper and then they will give you all the pricing information. But when you go to DMart or Big Bazaar, what happens? Everything is digitalized. So why? Because the information technology is implemented there. So something which is related to information and clubbed with technology is called information technology. Now information technology has two major fields. One is development, the other one is support. So information technology have two major fields, development and support. Now in development, you develop something, right? You generally deal with coding and you test some kind of development and you develop something. Okay. Like your application, you develop application, you develop website, you develop some web based related applications. Okay. So some software, all these things are coming in what? Uh, for example, application, you develop application. For example, Swiggy is an application. Zomato is an application. So somebody has developed it, right? 1 minute, somebody is joining in. Okay, so somebody have developed it. So first what they do coding, right? They use coding languages. like C, C++, Java, Oracle. These are like programming languages. So they have some programming languages in place. So they use the programming languages, then they test their program, and after that they develop and release it for everyone. So just like application, Zomato application or Swiggy or Uber application, these are all developed by someone. Now then we have support. Support is to support an existing environment. Suppose something is already developed, right? And it has to be, let me, I think somebody is joining. No, okay. So support some kind of product which is already developed, and people are supporting that product to function properly. So in information technology, we have two major sections. First is development and second is support. Now, those who would like to, those who like to do coding, programming languages, they would like to uh, develop some software. They would like to uh, do some testing if it is already developed, right? Then they will have to choose this field of development. If you are not, if coding is little tough for you, right, then what you do, you do not go into that field. C, C++, Java, Oracle, you will have to learn all those programming languages to understand how coding works, and then you come to this development field. But when you are not good with that, then you choose another field called support. So there are two major sections, okay, in information technology: development and support. Okay, people are still joining in now. So in development you have more salary wise. If you talk about salary, then you have good salary, but less job. Okay, salary, you earn good salary, but you have less jobs. But in support you have less salary, more jobs. So I'm just comparing it between development side and support side. So in development side you earn good salary. If you compare with, if comparatively with support side, you earn good salary, but the number of jobs is less than number of jobs which is there in support side. Support side has less salary but good jobs. Got it? Now, so who is good with coding? I mean, who likes to work with programming languages? In this call, can anyone tell me? Do you like to, work with programming languages? Anyone in this call? Abul Khair, Yasmin,
Yeah,
Srinivas,
yeah, I'm
Irfan.
interested. Yeah, yeah.
You have
I like
interest in
coding.
coding.
Yes,
You like
like
coding.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So then you should go in development side. Okay. You should choose that field. But the only challenge is the opportunities are less, but salary is good. Okay.
Yeah.
So which programming language are you learning right now?
Right now I'm going to learn this Python technologies. Python. Right
Python.
now, yeah, I already learned this JavaScript and everything, and from past few years, I already working on this
Okay.
JavaScript. Yeah.
Okay. So you have good interest on that one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Python is good. I like that.
Okay, you like Python. Okay,
Mm.
so those who are good in programming language, if they if you find it interesting, then um, you should choose development field. But those who do not want to do programming languages and they do not want to learn programming languages, then you can choose support side. Okay, in support, applications are already developed, you have to support, then it is called application support. There are many subsection in development and subsection in support side. Now, so anyone else who has interest in programming languages here in this call? Hamdan, Tabriz, Srinivas, Irfan,
Yes, sir. I'm also learning Python right now.
you are all also learning Python. Okay, good. But do you find it interesting?
I've already been exposed to C previously, so
Uh-huh.
I just find it an extension and more English oriented.
Okay. Now, as per my opinion, it's just my suggestion. If you find it interesting, then only you choose that field. Otherwise, you don't choose that field. Okay. You know,
Okay,
if
sir.
if you if you don't like it, better you don't go in that field.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Nobody? Okay. So that's the reason I told you. Opportunities are less, but the jobs are the salary wise it is good. It is better than support side. Now in support, we have less salary but more jobs. We have many jobs available in support side, application support or infrastructure support or web application support. There are many fields. So in this one, in development, you learn programming languages basically. Like C, C++, Java, Python. These are programming languages. Okay. Now in application support or infrastructure support, you learn technology. The technology which is already existing, learn existing technology. Okay. You learn existing technology. So what I teach this support side, I teach SCCM and Intune. These are the two technologies I teach. These are from Microsoft. And they are in well demand right now. Okay. They have been in demand ever since they came into the market. So I will talk about SCCM and Intune and why you should learn SCCM and Intune, those who would like to go in the support field. So let me take you to the next slide. So what is SCCM? So SCCM is basically the full form of this product is System Center Configuration Manager. Now this product came into the market in the year 1994. Okay, this is a Microsoft product. Microsoft developed this product in the year 1994. Okay, and this product is uh, basically 30 years old product. 30 years old product. This product came in 1994 and now we are in 2024. So if you calculate the number of years from 1994, it is 30 years. So this is an old technology. Now why you should learn SCCM, I will guide you one by one. First, 1 minute. My pen stopped working. 1 minute. Let me start it again. One word. Okay. Why you should learn SCCM? Because it's a matured technology. It's a mature technology, right? Point number two, it is present in all big size and medium size companies. Big and medium size companies. One minute. Something went wrong with my pen, guys. Okay, in all big size and medium size company. Point number three, um, it's a matured product. It is present in almost all big size and medium size organization, right? Good salary. Point number four is good um, opportunities. Okay, you have good salary, good vacancies basically. You can earn up to average. The starting salary is 8 lakh per annum, 8 lakh per year. Okay, starting salary for SCCM administrator. Good opportunities. Point number five is no programming languages. You don't need to learn any programming languages here. Okay, you don't have to learn any programming languages. You don't need to learn any coding languages here. Point number six. Um, Easy to learn. You can learn easily, you because everything is GUI based. You don't have to learn any C, C++, Java, Oracle. Okay, so you have predefined steps. You need to follow those steps to achieve your task. Okay, point number seven, good future. Good future, that means you can make your career in this as SCCM administrator. Okay, now point number eight, less competitors. Okay, so you need to learn something which has good demand in the market. If you don't have good demand in the market, for example, you learn Lotus Note now. Lotus Note is a good technology, right? But Lotus Note is no more being utilized in the organization. People are not using it, so there is no point learning it. If you learn this technology, you will not find any opportunities. So you should learn something which has good demand in the market. So the average salary for SCCM administrator is 8 lakh per year, 8 lakh per annum. That's the starting salary for at least, but you need to show some experience. Okay, if you go as a fresher, then it will be difficult for you to crack interviews. Okay, so you have to show some experience, like 2 years of experience, something like minimum 2 years of experience. Okay, good opportunities, no programming languages, easy to learn, good future, and less number of competitors. Okay, it's a matured technology. Resources are available. Resource availability. So resources are available. That means in case if you are stuck somewhere, you just Google it out, you will get n number of website which will guide you. In case if you have some issues, any challenges, you can just Google it out and you will get help from multiple websites. So resources are available because this product is there in the market for the last 30 years. This is 30 years old product. Okay, but it's still in demand. Okay, now we will talk about Intune, Microsoft Intune. So I have talked about SCCM. Now I'm going to talk about Microsoft Intune. Microsoft Intune is also a matured product. This product is there in the market for the past 14 years now. For the past 14 years from 2010. Okay. Point number 2, good salary, good vacancy. It has better vacancy than SCCM. Okay, it has better vacancy than SCCM. Good vacancies. Point number 4, it is in almost all big size plus medium size company. Big size plus medium size organization. Okay. Point number 5, good future. You can make good future, make your career in this Intune as Intune administrator. Point number 6, no programming languages. You don't need to learn any programming languages. Minimum salary here, same. Average salary 8 lakh per annum. But if you talk about the vacancy, it has good vacancy than SCCM, better vacancy than SCCM. So I will suggest you type in better vacancy. Okay, no programming languages, no coding language. You don't need to learn any coding languages. Okay, less competitors. Point number 7, less competitors, resource available. Resource availability. Okay, these both of them are from Microsoft. Microsoft has developed this product. Now what is the function of this product? What do you basically do with this product? So I'll talk about that one, the functionality of these two products. Okay, basically from SCCM we will talk about SCCM first. It's almost similar, both of them are similar product. Okay, so it is to manage devices. So from this product, what you do, you manage devices, existing devices. Suppose you have Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server, you can manage these devices. So in organization, you have like thousands and thousands of devices, you can manage them. So from SCCM, what you can do, you can manage devices. So suppose you have Mumbai office, Mumbai. Suppose you have an organization called ABC Private Limited, ABC Private Limited. And Mumbai has like 5,000 devices, 5,000 devices. Then you have another office location, London. London has like 5,000 devices. Okay. Then you have New York. New York has 10,000 devices. And Mexico. Mexico has like 5,000 devices. So you can manage these devices from SCCM. SCCM is gonna manage devices in each region. Manage devices. What all devices it can manage? It can manage Windows 10 devices, Windows 11 devices, Windows Server, MacBook. You can manage Windows 10, Windows 11 Server and MacBooks from SCCM. So what all things you can do from SCCM? You can deploy applications. Okay, you can deploy, let's say you have to deploy Google Chrome to 10,000 application, 10,000 computers in New York. So from SCCM, we can deploy Google Chrome. Google Chrome to 10,000 computers in New York. For example, I have to deploy 5,000. I need to deploy Firefox. These are application. Okay, Firefox to 5,000 devices in Mexico. Suppose I need to deploy um, Microsoft Office to 5,000 devices in Mumbai. So all these things I can do it from SCCM. SCCM is the one which will be deploying application to thousands and thousands of devices all over the globe. You don't have to manually install the application. You can also install, so you can install apps, you can install updates, you can deploy updates to the devices, you can deploy configuration to the devices, compliance, you can deploy settings, okay, etc. So from SCCM, SCCM is like you will have complete control of devices from SCCM. Suppose you need to restart 10,000 devices in London. You have 5,000 devices in London. You need to restart them, all the machines. You can do it from SCCM. You can restart in one go. All those 5,000 machines will get restarted. Okay. So you will have all the control will be in your hand. Okay. You can control devices no matter the device is located in Mumbai office or it's located in London office or it's located in New York office, anywhere, as long as the devices are connected on the LAN network, on the network. If the device is not on the network, then you cannot do that. You cannot, the SCCM will not be able to connect to the device. Device has to be connected to the network. Then you can deploy apps, you can deploy updates, configuration, compliance, setting, etc. Any question from anyone so far in terms of, there are two, so let me give you an overview what we have done so far. So IT has two fields. IT has two fields. First is development. Second, support. Now in development, you basically learn programming languages, and in support, you work on, you support an existing technology. Okay, existing technology. Now in development, you learn programming languages like Java, C, C++, Python and all. And in support, there are many fields. I have talked about two fields, SCCM and Intune. Intune is pending, but since we have talked about SCCM, now I'm going to talk about Intune. What Intune will do? Intune is going to do the same thing, okay? But it is gonna do it on cloud. So from Intune, you can manage devices. So for example, 2000 devices in Mumbai, okay? 3000 devices in London, 4000 devices in Chennai, 3000 devices in New York, right? And 5000 devices in Mexico, for example. So you can you can manage devices. The only difference from SCCM is SCCM wants the devices to be connected on the network. It has to be on the network, LAN network. But after COVID-19, what happened? People are working from home. So you can manage devices on the internet. So everything is done on the internet. That's a great functionality of Intune. So you don't have to the device needs to be on internet, any internet, either at home or in the office or different location. As long as the device has internet connection, it will communicate to Intune server and will receive policy. Intune is going to supply application. Intune is going to supply updates. Same thing. Configuration, compliance policies, setting and everything. But it will do on the internet. SCCM will do on the local LAN network. Okay. Any question from anyone?
Kashav, it means the administrator can lock any system also, no?
Yes,
Based on
administrator
the
can lock, administrator can reset password, administrator can restart the device, administrator can install application, remove application, deploy updates. Suppose your machine, where are you located? Suppose you are in Kurla right now, and I am an Intune administrator. I can remotely restart your machine. I can remotely send application to your device. I can remotely send updates to your device. Got it?
yeah, yeah. Okay.
And this is being utilized in every machine, every company, all big size and medium size organization. You will find it everywhere. That's the reason it is in good demand, because if it is implemented everywhere, then people will need a Intune administrator and SCCM administrator. Now if you ask me which technology is better in both of them, so Intune is better, okay? And I will be teaching you Intune. Why? Because this has more demand, more job vacancies, and good salary than in SCCM. SCCM was there before COVID-19, but after COVID-19, Intune has been implemented like anything. It has emerged like a big monster now. Got it? Any other question from anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
So, as a fresher, what salaries can we expect from Intune?
6 lakhs average salary for fresher, but you don't go as a fresher. You show some experience, like an internship experience or something, on your resume, so that people will not take you as a fresher. They will take you as an experienced person. Got it?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sorry. Any other question?
Okay, sir. Got it. Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Any question from anyone else? Yasmin, Srinivas, Irfan, Tabriz, Hamdan, Abdus Samad.
Sir, these vacancies available in Mumbai?
Yeah, these vacancies are available in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, mostly where the IT companies are there. Okay,
And how much experience will have to show in the field?
minimum 2 years.
Kashav,
Even if
I
you are
have a
fresher,
doubt.
even if you are fresher, you show some some experience like internship experience on your resume, okay, or you can also mention that you had a hardware shop or something wherein you were building computers and installing operating system or something, at least they know that you have worked somewhere. Okay,
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
no worries. Yes, I will care.
It means there is nothing like physical work, like developing and programming and anything. It is just
Now
like clicking
in
on
support side,
just click
uh,
and install the application across the devices, click and restart the
yeah,
devices, or
yes,
click and update the devices.
yes,
So
physical
it
task is not there.
so
If you
this
need physical
task,
help, yeah, go ahead.
mhm. No, all this thing can be automated, no? But
These are
yeah,
automated
after a
through
few weeks,
Intune, right?
okay. So means after 1 week or 2 weeks, the system will be updated, or after 1 week or 2 weeks, the Chrome will be updated
Yes,
as per the new version is.
new
So
version is
this task
released.
is automated.
Automated. Intune is basically gonna automate these things, make your life
Hmm.
easier. It's gonna send application, send updates, restart machine, um, plus basically the whole management of the devices. It is called enterprise management solution.
Okay. Okay.
Got it? Any other question from anyone?
But will it be safe to go in this field? Because if it is many things is automating,
But somebody will have
so
to be there to
so how many people
automate,
will you
right?
require? Like for a developing a product, you need a,
No,
like in
development is
my team,
already
I
done by
have,
Microsoft, right?
no.
This,
I'm not talking about
okay.
that. I'm talking about the programming language. Suppose I am going to develop something like a product. So I need 10 people from the UI side, 10 or 20 people from backend side. Then
Mm,
we need managers and this thing.
mm.
So the area of this in tunes, the number of people will be very less, no?
Yes, number of comparatively people will be less. More than I think less than 5 people will be there
Uh,
in each company, but it is being utilized in each company, right? Everywhere you will find it. If it is a big organization, then you will have more people. Why? Because then more people is needed. Somebody will handle let's say one region, London region will be managed by one team, another region will be managed by Mumbai team, another region will be managed by a different team. So you will have more members when you have big organization, you will have less members when you have small organization. Got it?
got
But
it.
in development side, once your task is done, you are gone, right? You go on another project, you don't work on the same
Yeah, yeah.
project, right? But in support you will always be there, either this company or the other company.
That is the difference, right?
So I told you job vacancies are more in support side, but salary is less than the development side. Any other question? Hamdan, Tabriz, Arif Sheikh?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, as far as this iTunes is, I'm expecting. So, are you gonna provide training for how to use that app, use that application, or is there anything else?
Intune, I will teach you Intune. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How to
So, when
how
are we
to
gonna
use
start that?
Intune. Yeah. So this is an introduction session, right? Wherein I
All right, all
wanted
right.
to know your interest.
Okay.
Okay. So when we meet in the next session,
Session.
Saturday, right? Then the first session we will discuss about Intune, how Intune is designed in by Microsoft, what is the architecture and everything. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Now let me show you some Anybody knows about Azure, Microsoft Azure?
So I had attended one thing meeting of that Azure thing, but I don't remember as such something. All things.
Okay. That means you have attended, but you don't remember, right?
Yes, sir.
This Intune is basically configured on Azure. Microsoft Azure. Azure is what? Azure is the data center. Azure is a data center. What is data center? Data center is looks like this. This is Azure Microsoft Virtual Data Center. I think this is Microsoft Azure Data Center. So this is like a big, big building. In that you will have multiple floors. In multiple floors you will have multiple racks. So this is the outside view of the data center. Okay. This is Azure Public Data Center. So Intune is basically configured in Azure Data Center. Okay, which I will discuss about in the next session, how Intune is designed. So let me show you the inside view of the data center. Inside. This is the inside view of the data center. These are racks. You see, these are racks. On that rack, you will have high configured servers. These are highly configured servers. Okay, and they are connected with the network cables. So Intune is basically configured in a few racks. So when you create your subscription, so basically your subscription is created in one of the racks here in Azure Data Center. So I'll discuss about these things later on. This is the inside view of the data center. This is the inside view of the data center, and the outside view of the data center is this. So Azure is what? It's a Microsoft data center technology, wherein it's a public data center. Oh, so public data center means anyone can create resources. You, me, and everyone can create resources. Okay, it's not private data center. In companies, you have private data center. Only that company, will be making resources there. Others are not allowed. In public data center, everyone is allowed to create their resources. So Intune is created on Azure Data Center. Intune is configured on Azure Data Center. Okay. So in next session when we meet, we will discuss about how Intune is configured and how that is the what is the architectural diagram and all. Any question from anyone before we wrap it up? So I just want to ask you guys, are you guys interested to continue Intune session? If you are interested, raise your hand.
So I'm interested.
Okay. If those who are not interested, for example, those who would like to go in development side, okay, development field, then I should say you better stop here and you start learning other technologies which are related to development like Python and C, C++, Java, Oracle, whatever the latest technology is there. Machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence, these are from development side. If anyone is interested in support side, then Intune is the best technology right now. There are other technologies as well, but Intune is good in the market right now. That's the reason I'm focusing on Intune. You should go in Intune. And so I will give you at least some kind of exposure wherein you can take that as your career start, you know, with Intune technology. So I am seeing some people are interested, like Hamdan is interested, Rukaiya. Rukaiya, you need to unmute yourself, speak up, introduce yourself, tell me about your self, a brief introduction. Unmute yourself and speak up. I'm still not able to hear you, Rukaiya. Hamdan.
Hello.
Yes. Did you already introduce yourself, Hamdan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you would like to go for this training in Tune, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So we have Irfan Sheikh. I'm gonna make a note of you guys, those who are interested.
Yes, sir.
So there are 9 people who are interested. Now, each one of you, you need to send me your email address on the chat window. Send email ID. Or do one thing, send email address in the WhatsApp group. Send email address in the WhatsApp group. It will be better. You guys are there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. I already sent here. I'll send there also.
Okay. So Yasmin, Hamdan, Salik Ansari, Irfan Sheikh, Rukaiya, Srinivas, Abul Khair, Arif Sheikh, and Tabrez Patel. You guys need to send your email address in the WhatsApp group as well. If anyone is not part of WhatsApp group, let me know.
I have sent, sir, in WhatsApp group.
Okay, so I have received email from Arif, Srinivas, Tabrez, Abul Khair, Irfan. One, two, three, four, five. Only 5 people. Hamdan is not part of WhatsApp group or what? Ansari, Siraj, Sheikh Yasmin. 7 people. 2 more to go. 2 more people. They have not sent their WhatsApp yeah, email address. Yeah, Hamdan. Yes, Salik Ansari. Okay, all 9 people are interested to continue with Intune. Fine. So we will start Intune batch from coming Saturday. Okay. And I would like you guys to join from computer, not from mobile. Those who are joining from mobile, you can join, but at least you have a personal computer, Windows computer. If you have Windows computer, it is well and good. Okay. But if you don't have computer, that's okay. You can join from mobile, but it is better you join from computer. That's my suggestion. So we will meet on coming Saturday at 11 o'clock. We will send you the timing. 11 o'clock we will start on coming Saturday. That is, I think it is 9th of March. Yes, 9th of March we will meet again. Any question before we wrap it up? Hmm? No question? All good? Okay, guys. Thank you for joining the session. I hope the session was informative. We'll meet on
Yes.
9th of March. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye now. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Kashif.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kash.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.